In a quiet suburban neighborhood, a husband and wife lived a peaceful and happy life. And one very special family member, their cat. She was treated like a queen, pampered, loved, and adored every single day. The wife shared a deep bond with her cat, so deep that even a small complaint from her husband felt unacceptable. One evening, as the husband watched television, the cat played noisily with her toys. When the husband gently asked her to move away, the cat ran straight to the wife, pretending to be hurt and sad. Moments like these slowly made the husband uncomfortable. Every evening, the couple went for a peaceful walk together, a small ritual they cherished. One evening, they noticed a lonely dog sitting on the roadside. The dog looked scared, helpless, and heartbroken. After asking around, they learned the dog's owner had passed away. There was no one left to care for him. Touched by compassion, the couple decided to bring the dog home. They believed love could heal broken hearts. As they entered the house, the cat ran toward them, then suddenly stopped. Her eyes locked onto the dog, and her mood changed instantly. The husband gently announced that the dog was now part of the family. The dog stood calmly, but the cat felt angry and ran away. Days passed. The cat avoided the dog at every turn, while the dog stayed gentle and patient. When alone at home, the dog tried to come closer, but the cat always walked away. Slowly, jealousy grew in the cat's heart. She wanted the dog gone, so she could be the only one loved again. One evening, the cat created chaos. She stole food, knocked over a glass, and escaped. The dog was left standing near the broken mess, blamed for something he never did. The dog was scolded and sat quietly in a corner, heartbroken. Meanwhile, the cat rested happily beside the wife, satisfied with her plan. But still, there was no friendship, only distance. One weekend, the couple left home for a party. The dog rested inside, while the cat went outside, near the swimming pool. A mouse suddenly appeared. The cat chased it, slipped, and fell straight into the pool. She struggled, panicked, and began to drown. The dog heard her cries and rushed out. Fear stopped him for a moment, but compassion won. Without thinking twice, the dog jumped into the pool. With all his strength, he saved the cat's life. The cat lay unconscious. The dog waited anxiously by her side. When the couple returned, they rushed the cat to the vet. After hours of worry, she survived. The wife and husband thanked the dog with tears in their eyes. The cat looked at the dog, ashamed, grateful, changed. From that day on, the cat and dog became best friends. Sometimes, the ones we push away are the ones who save us.